Yeah, what's going on, y'all? So basically what happened was it shut down on itself. My other phone, I gotta use another phone, so I'm just showing you everywhere to go. So if you just saw where I went, this is what you should do. You go here, I'm gonna show you again, but I'm gonna show you another way. So you'll come there, and as you see, it say detecting surface activity. So boom. So leave it here for about 5 seconds, and then you're gonna get paid. Basically, you already been paid for the qualified day, but you can still keep getting paid. So what that means is you have to be able to get paid if you have 10 clicks a day. If you don't have 10 clicks a day, then you won't be qualified to get paid at all. But once you get 10, you can stop. If you don't want to stop, you can keep getting more. You can make as much as you want. If you have people that's under you, you can make way much more if you want. So let's see. Boom. Let's cut all this off, right? So as you can see, we had 12, bam, 13. All right, so let's go right back. Boom. Let's make some money. It's pretty much PTC, pay to click. Boom. Go here. Boom. We're gonna make some more money. So whoever this person, got an opportunity they want people to see. And sometimes people, put the wrong links in and, not promoting the right thing. They probably give you a blank website. But you don't have to do anything. You don't have to promote. Not promote. You don't have to join any opportunities that they face or throw your way. I should say. So basically everything I'm showing you, you don't have to join anything. I'm not joining none of these programs unless I want to, if it's something that fits me. But most of this stuff, it don't fit what I need, but I'm just getting paid. Because sometimes you have opportunities that you might, need or want to join that you haven't seen before. So I'm at 14. So I'm going to get to 15 and stop. But I'm going to continue to go without recording, but I'm going to just show you one more time recording. I'm going to have a link below the description. I know you saw the name of the program already, but I had a link below the description. So you click here, and this is another opportunity. So many of these people, promoting just like myself, opportunities. So you see the concept. You can be making money while promoting to make more money and building a team, building a list, building a business. So boom, boom, as you can see. Once you see that surfing started for green, boom, you're good to go ahead and boom, it's over with. Now we at 15. All right, you see, boom, 15, boom. So let's go to the affiliate side, guys. I don't have any affiliates, really. Come join, guys. I had a link below the description. That's how we make the money. I'm gonna talk about another opportunity real quick. I like this opportunity too because it's so easy to promote on this one. This is probably the best one to do, guys, to promote. So you can promote that opportunity right here, connect it to here, and promote, guys, and get referrals like that. So I'm giving you 2 in 1. Now this one you can make money, but the difference between this one and this one is this one you make money from people paying only. So you don't get paid from, doing what I'm showing you. You will only get credit, meaning that if you bring in people to this site and they doing what I'm doing, watching other people's opportunities, getting points, then I'll be getting points from them. So that means I have more people watching my opportunities. So just think about it. The more people you bring in an opportunity like this where they don't pay, they pay but they don't. I'm gonna explain that. You just get more eyes to your opportunity. So you could have just signed up 5 people and they daily do this, or let me explain it another way. You could have signed 5 people and they could have came in that same day, get you about 4,000 points a day. And you don't have to log in yourself. If you do, I think they probably have a rule where you just log in for about a couple, clicks. But for the most part, if you log in, just to log in so you can stay up to date, because they will, suspend you if you don't log in after a while. you can get paid just by other people, you know, bringing them in and they, you know, watching. So they could be giving you opportunity of getting more people to your opportunities, meaning that the more people you bring in, basically, the more eyes to your opportunity without you even watching it. Because of the simple fact you bring them in, they're giving you more opportunities to your program, more views to your opportunity, or give you more opportunities to have more eyes to your program by, you know, being under you. You don't even have to, you know, do it yourself. So you could be having people making, pretty much, you could be having people do traffic for you, for your own business, just by being under you. It's no difference from, you know, this one. You got both. You can make money from PTC and, you know, buying packages and, you know, credits. This one is just credits and buying packages. You don't make money from, you know, the credits. This one you get paid for free credits and money. This one you get paid when somebody buy. And I'm thinking you can get paid from, you know, people's referrals of, you know, just, you know, referring and, you know, clicking. But if you get paid the same way on this one and this one, it really don't matter, guys, because at the end of the day, it's not about just the money. It's mainly about that opportunity to find other opportunities and definitely get your opportunity, you know, out there. And stuff like this, I might join, guys. You know, see, this is an opportunity that I might look into, guys. So look, so if it's a favorite, you just hit that. You hit new open. And I might look at that, guys. I might look at this opportunity. So it is opportunities that I do look at. I might promote this, guys. Who knows? So just letting you know, it's your boy Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. This is the part 2 for the Earn Online or Earn Website Online 2021. I was just letting you know that you can use these 2 sites to make money, but this one you can make money without paying for anything, and you will make money for people joining you and paying for something. But you don't have to pay nothing when you join. If you join under here and you want somebody to join under you to make money, just know that they got to pay. But if they don't pay, you still can, you know, get free opportunities, you know, to have more eyes to your business. So don't worry. Just know in general, if you're confused, just join both of these. They both free. This one, you don't get paid to do this. But this one, you do get paid to watch people's opportunities. So for this one, you get paid for free, no money out of pocket. You don't have to invest no money. This one, you don't get paid at all. You just get more eyes to your business. The difference between this one and this one, the difference between this one and this one. This one, they only pay you when you bring somebody in that want to buy an upgrade package deal. You can get paid in this one multiple ways. For free, paid, and people paying their way. So basically, the difference is when you looking at people's opportunities on here from here, they pay you and they give you more views, and they just give you more views the more views you watch. So they don't pay you when it come to watching views. They pay you when it come to watching views, and they give you views. They just give you views. The only how you get paid from here is when you bring a referral in and they pay. You won't get paid if they come in and they, you know, watch, you know, advertisement. They'll only bring you more views, not paid money. The only time you get paid is if they pay for a package deal. Now you can get paid without them paying for a package deal if I bring you in, so you don't have to pay for anything. So if you want to bring somebody in here, they don't have to pay for anything. That's the only difference. But at the end of the day, don't worry about all that. If you just want to focus on getting more referrals, both of these gonna help you get more referrals. Trust me. As we speak, I'm getting more eyes to my business for free. I love doing it the free way. You know, sometimes because when you pay for it, you're not really by there to see the new websites. Because sometimes you can find new websites through these websites, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do one more of these and I'm up out of here, guys. So I'm showing you basically. This one's so easy. You literally wait to load up. It's just, this one's just so smooth. It's so smooth, and then the countdown go down quick, and you just go to the next one. See how this one take a little bit, you know, it's a process with this one. So this one, I just earned 500 bonus points and 25 hits. So basically that is, I'm just getting more eyes to my business. That's basically what it is. I always, lately just been getting points. I'm racking up points, you know. And, you know, say scroll down. So you can find one, website, hit, boom. And you come back over here and you get paid from over here. As you can see, where we at now? Alright, hold on. Let's see where we at, money-wise. I'm trying to see, guys. That's why I'm kind of quiet right now. But, so we had 16 clicks. So as you can see, I'm gonna do one more, guys. I made it long, but I want y'all to understand what's going on between these two sites. And I'm gonna talk about one more other site too. I'm gonna be promoting these sites a lot. I'm gonna still talk about my apps and stuff. But it's your boy Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Let's get it, let's go. Just wanna show y'all one more time. Boom. You hit that, boom. Wait for 5 minutes. Now that one done. This one about to be done in a minute. Watch this. Boom. 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 Where we at? We was at 16. Now we at 17. Boom. Alright, we out of here, guys. Come join.